have my goat right over here.
And we're going to cook the goat. Now, what's the goat going in? It's not going in the cake.
It's going to go in phyllo. We used to take a train from where we were staying to my maternal grandparents' house, and there was a small train station in southern India where the train would stop for less than 2 minutes, and they used to be selling these Lukhmis, and I would obsess. So my parent, my dad would get off the train to go and buy that for me, and it's just like one of my favorite food memories of growing up. First thing that I do is I make a mixture of the goat mince, and I put some red onions in it, some chopped cilantro. I take some fresh ginger and garlic and go ahead and crush it in a mortar and a pestle. Some salt, some turmeric, some cayenne, and some seekh kebab masala. I go ahead and mix that, let it sit for a few minutes, and then cook it till the goat is cooked. While the goat is cooling, I make a chutney or a sauce to go along with the Lukhmi. The sauce has cilantro, mint, ginger, mango, serrano, lemon juice, lime juice, salt, touch of water and sugar, and I blend it, and that's the chutney. I get the phyllo pastry and put melted ghee, which is clarified butter, on half of the sheet of the phyllo, turn it, and then start filling it and making triangles out of it and just putting it under a wet kitchen towel so that it doesn't dry.
Oh, look how beautiful you make the dish look. You go around, we had pomegranates over there. Actually, we got a whole bushel of them. And phyllo dough is used a lot in Indian cooking?
Not really.
Not really. Oh, you just made this one up?
I just made this one
Yeah,
up.
just that old family recipe. Is goat used a lot?
Goat is used a lot. That is pretty much the only red meat that we use in India. And it's one of my favorite meats.
I love the texture of it, the richness of it. And then you got a little bit of spice in on top of this. Dynamite.